Yeah. But Yaredi, so far you're the only one who can talk, and Keisha can also talk. So please keep talking. Um, we are just trying to try out a new business model for iTax. We have been working for this client for nearly 6 months now, and we have been able to make a lot of progress, but we are not able to achieve the end result. The end result is money, right? Whether it is us or whether it is our client, the end result is always some money, correct? So even though Ahmed has been working for this client for the last 6 months, and we have made lots of progress, we have not yet made money for the client. We are making money, right? Ahmed is making money, Keisha is making money, but the client is not making money in the last 6 months. So it was pretty obvious that the client was going to stop us from doing this work. So we came up with an idea, a win-win idea, where we said, look, continue with us. Okay, continue with us, and we will try to do everything that we can possibly do and start winning clients for you. Okay, and you don't have to pay us any money in in the beginning to do all these work. But when you win the client, when you take the money from your client, we want a percentage of your contract to be paid out to us. Okay, so we just then calculated how that will work. So for example, let's say she makes 10,000 pounds, or $10,000 is her contract value. 10% of that she will pay to us, which is 1,000, right? So, and we take the 1,000 and distribute it equally amongst the team, which try to make this happen. Now it could be 10,000, it could be 5,000, it could be 20,000, it could be 50,000. We do not know how big or how small she will win, but if she wins, we will also win. If she loses, then we will also lose, as in like we will not make any money. Is that understood?
Yes, we are following.
Okay, so the way we want to do this is, we want to okay, yeah, this is all confusing. I'll just remove all these things. So basically, if the client wins a contract valued at 10,000, let me put in dollar, $10,000, then we StepUp.one gets 10% of that contract value, which is 1,000. Yeah, so 50% of that will be on outcome. I think this is not needed. All this is not needed. That's it. Basically, this is the deal. Is the deal clear? If the client wins a contract for 10,000, we get 1,000. If the client wins a contract valued at 50,000, then we get 5,000. This is how it works. Is this clear? Any questions? Any questions?
I think that's it is understood, Anis. Maybe Ahmed, I see that he's having a problem with the network, but you can hear us, though not very much. But the recording will pass the recording to every one of us, so that if anybody misses a point, you can still go back and get it from the recording. I don't know from Axo if I because I was in the meeting, so I know all about this.
No, Aksa, we are not able to hear you. If you, can you remove your microphone from there? Yeah, just remove that and try to talk without the thing. Yeah, now talk without your.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I said for that what Anis said there is no comments, but I would like to know, my question is for how long it will take us, because as Ahmed is working for him 6 months now, and maybe the client has not get anything. For how long will it take us also to work for him so that he can win a client? It will be maybe like we normally do at Step Up, it will be a chance, or we will have a contract of a time being.
Kisha, Ahmed, do you have an answer for that? How long will it take for us to win somebody for iTax?
It doesn't have the duration, but we can start it today, and maybe tomorrow we land a client that can offer her a job to do. So it is all about our tactics, and that's why we choose different sources or different channels to assure that we attack the clients from different corners to make sure we get a client as soon as we start. But it doesn't have, we can't guarantee after this period of time that we will get one. It is upon how good, how if the post that we are making, the message that we are sending, the email that we are sending, out of that they come the result. So we don't have a really time frame for us to get to the clients.
Yes, I can get the points.
Okay. Now, now the thing is, but still the client, the client still pays. The client pays $200 per month. Okay. Now, and let's say, we can win how much ever, let's say $1,000 per month, maybe 6 months. After 6 months, assume something, okay? And we keep winning 1,000 per month after 7th month, 8th month, because you will keep on getting more and more work. Hopefully, once the machinery starts to deliver results, it will deliver results. Now, the question I have is, how should we now? I want to give the freedom to, because it is only 200 per month. Should we leave this as this? Ahmed is getting this 200, obviously some of it is Ahmed and Kisha. Yeah, I think let's not, divide this money, because, that's not a good idea. I was initially thinking, we'll divide the money also, with people, but I think, that's not a good idea. So what we can do, we can give extra work to Ahmed so he can participate. So no one can participate in this winning if they don't work towards it. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, today, this is what Ahmed is doing, right? Correct? Correct? So this is what Ahmed is doing today and getting paid for it. So this is obviously, out of the question, what we can do is we can make Ahmed do this extra work, because he's already doing this. Okay. And then this, and then this. Okay, now who can do this basically? Social media marketing, basically across and all groups. Yeah, who can do this? Somebody has to do this. Somebody has to do this. Somebody has to do this. Somebody has to do the emails. So 3 more people. Somebody has to do social media marketing across LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and also post to all the groups. We'll come up with around 20, 30 groups, and they need to post it to all these groups. So this will be at least 2 hours every day, easily 1 or 2 hours. I mean, 1 hour maybe. And this person, LinkedIn groups, not post exactly, posting is one thing. Posting will be done by this group actually. This guy should basically, need to not post, need to engage, just like what we're doing in Tiger team. Got it? And one of us has to find the emails of all the people who are connected on LinkedIn. Or we need to find the emails of all the people and, send them an email basically. Right? So anybody who's connecting with us on LinkedIn, or anybody who we can find emails, we should be able to send them all emails with a proper thing. So this is the attack.
Yes, Anis, I can work on group 4.
Okay, find out which groups where you need to engage. So you mean the Tiger team?
Yes, Anis.
Yes, the Tiger team stuff. Okay, so you can do group 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Anis, are you getting me?
Yes, I have written. I heard you. You're ready.
Yes, I can work on group 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Tiger team.
Okay. So you need to understand, her business, and you have to find out all the LinkedIn groups and Facebook groups, and even Telegram groups if you need be. LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, Telegram groups, ideally all the founders also need, all founders need to know about this service offer. Any founder who has a team of 10-20 people in the UK can definitely make use of a service. But we will figure that out. We'll all figure it out. I think, Kisha, you really need to guide your team in terms of how to do. So this is very easy, right? LinkedIn new connections and old connections is really easy, right? Is that clear, Kisha? I mean, it's really easy to do the first two.
Oh, yes, Anis.
But the only thing about the second thing is you need to figure out how to find the old connection. So if you look at this, we are just starting this yesterday with one of our other clients. Basically, if you really understand this, right, it's nothing. It's rekindling the fire. That's all we are doing. Okay. See, look what I've done. If you see, this is a client that we are working for. So I have chosen the first degree connections. Can you see? I have chosen his first degree connection. That means existing connection. I have excluded the company that he works for. Okay. Or rather, so in case of iTax, you need to exclude, Deloitte, where she used to work. You remember? So you need to exclude that. And then I go for founder. Everybody who's a founder or a chief executive or a CFO. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. And then I will create a message and send it to all of them. Yeah. So that's really easy. Okay. This is really easy. Okay. LinkedIn new connections is obviously really easy. Old connection is, I would say, create a target audience from the first degree connections. Okay. Do not send any message if there's already a message sent in the last 30 days. Okay. Okay. Remove companies that needs to be excluded. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. What about marketing, social media marketing? Who can do this social media marketing on the basis of keywords and source hashtags? I mean, we really don't have anybody. We just have, Akso, are you comfortable doing this, or it will be difficult for you, this work? But someday you have to do it.
Yeah, I can try, but by the directive of the leader.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This one you can put Huda. Okay. To start working. Okay. So that's pretty much it, right? So 6 things, and then the way it will work is how many people are there? 4 people are there, right, to do the work. Huda, Yaradi, Akso, Ahmed, and you, 5 people. So if we get, let's say, after 1,000 per after this thing, then we divide that equally amongst all the 5 of you. Okay. Yeah. The good news is, obviously this is, I'm setting a very low expectation so that, I'm working with just $1,000. It could be $5,000. It could be $10,000. So in that case, the earnings will also be extremely high. But I don't want to, paint a very good picture right now and we fail miserably. So I would rather paint a bad picture and win very big. But this is what is the new business model, and we want to try it out. You are not, you don't need to do this. If you don't want to do this, you're more than welcome to, not do it. That's always, there's no pressure or force, to do anything. And everything that you're doing has to be documented, in the dashboard, very clearly. Okay. So you should be able to see the new dashboard. It's got all the stuff. So for example, we are preparing one for another client, and you can see that all the things are there, especially for you, Axo, specific keywords, simple sources, simple keywords, simple sources, specific keywords, specific sources, super specific, hashtags. So you need to collect all these things. You need to follow the strategy, it's all here. Actually, everything that we want to do is here. The social media marketing, how to do that is here. Getting started with a new client for social media marketing is here. Actually, how to do it, but more than anything, I think you guys need to work together. Especially, I have no problem in these things. What you're going to do for let's take the guide of Aarti itself, so that yeah. So this is the iTax one. And we need to fill this up, right? All the LinkedIn group, Facebook group, everything needs to be filled up. All her, all her keywords should be here. And this is for, so you need to treat it like a big business, Kisha, and then, you need to tackle this. Do you think you can get started with this idea? She's also given a few more things. LinkedIn groups, construction groups, manufacturing. Yeah. Is this enough, Kisha, or do you need more? Do you want to ask questions, or do you have any doubts what to do with these 6 things?
I think everything is already captured in the dashboard.
Not everything, whatever she has said is not captured, right? She's been saying a few things, all that has to be getting into the dashboard. My take is, just start the easy ones quickly, right? The easy ones are, this is already Ahmed is doing it. So, that's fine. Relook at that one also, see, if he's doing something wrong and, something. So the number 1 is already green. So, we don't need to do anything. It's already green. This one is easy. You can just start it today itself. Right?
You're not sharing the screen.
Sorry. Oh, okay. No, I'm just saying number 1, whatever, Ahmed is doing already, just double check his. So this can get started also immediately. There is no problem. This Yaradi can get started on this immediately, identifying the LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, and, starting to talk to them. And social media marketing, I suggest, Kisha, you work on it, and, start posting, just one post today, or take her old post and, just try to do it and then start posting them all in all the other groups. Okay. So this is a little bit difficult. Emails. This is going to be tricky. We need, we don't have any paid email service, but still what we can do, finding the emails, right? We can still find people's emails, by clicking on their this thing, we will get their emails, maybe personal emails. Try to use the like get email, all those kind of things, but just in case if you're not getting it, then we can still use it. Yeah. You know, right, Akisha, how to get an email from your contacts?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay. So get started all of these, simultaneously and quickly. Okay.
About the social media marketing,
Yeah.
because with the keyword that she provided, they are much general technology. They are much general, not much specific to what we really intend.
No, she's given,
Like design, development, advances, technology, and even the sources. The sources are, I don't know if we have.
yeah. Yeah, these sources are good sources. FT, Independent, Economist, Google News. Google News cannot be a source. Google can be a source. Science magazines, sector-specific forums like tech, manufacturing, construction, HMRC. Okay. I think, what we need to tell her is, give her also more job. Okay. But you do the first bit. So the first bit is very easy, which is, in my opinion, the first thing has to be research and development, R&D tax.
Okay.
That should be the first and the foremost thing. So if I go to this thing, what is the main thing she's talking about? HMRC, taxes, department, and Innovate UK. Okay, so these are all sources that you can easily find in Twitter. So basically, you can tell her, can you please find the Twitter handles for all of these sources. So give her work as well, just give her more work and, ask her to be, so here, if I just put the thing, I think I will say R&D tax, right? I think R&D tax, let's say. That's the main keyword for her entire industry. So if I put just this, let's see how much results are going to come. Yeah, so this guy is, so look at this guy, this guy is a UK R&D tax. So this is, he's a direct competitor of, thing. So you can find out. So tax relief. So this guy is also, look at what he's doing. Okay, you can learn from these guys actually. Okay. Learn from these guys, but it's really easy to find out, see, a lot of good stuff will be there, but we just need to find, let's say from :@BBC. Okay, which means R&D. Okay, nothing has come from BBC. Or let's say HMRC. No. So we need to find the right words for these things. The HMRC, I'm not sure, what is the thing. So HMRC, the handle for HMRC. See, the handle is not even coming actually. Yeah, okay. HMRC, yeah, look at this. So you can HMRC Digital and HMRC Press Office. So two handles are there. HMRC Digital. HMRC customer support. I think we need to find the actual handle, because look at this, so many things. This is the one, HMRC Gov UK. So that's why it's better for her to find these handles. HMRC Gov UK. Yeah, look at this. So every one of these tweets, right, can be tweeted back, because it is the most reliable source, and it can be tweeted. So we need to search like this. We need to keep expanding this more. I think you are able to get the idea.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, Kisha, give me like 10 minutes. You can wait in this bridge and just you can also announce in the main channel. If anybody wants to join your hunting team, they can join.